Most people choose between pickup and delivery without really understanding the trade-offs. Then they end up frustrated when their groceries arrive late, missing items, or they waste time driving across town for pickup. Here's the truth no one tells you. The better option depends completely on how you shop, not just what sounds easier. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll clearly understand the difference between Walmart curbside pickup and delivery in 2026, when each one is better, and how to choose the right option every time without second guessing. Let's break it down simply. Walmart offers two main ways to get your order. Curbside pickup, where you order online and collect it from the store parking lot. And delivery, where your order is brought directly to your home. Now here's where it gets interesting. Both options seem similar on the surface, but they solve very different problems. Curbside pickup is all about speed and control. You place your order through the app, choose a time slot, and a store associate loads your items into your car. No shipping delays. No waiting at home. This works great for people like Jake who are already out running errands and want to grab groceries quickly on the way back. But here's the problem most people don't think about. Pickup still requires your time and travel. If the store is busy or your time slot is limited, you might end up waiting in your car longer than expected. Now let's talk about delivery. With delivery, your order comes straight to your door. This is the most convenient option, especially for busy schedules or large grocery orders. It saves travel time completely. For example, if Alex is working late or managing kids at home, delivery removes the need to leave the house at all. That is a huge advantage. But there is a trade-off. Delivery can include service fees, and time slots may not always be available instantly depending on demand. Substitutions can also happen if items are out of stock. So, how do you choose the right one? Here is the simple rule. If you want the fastest access and don't mind driving, pickup wins. If you want maximum convenience and zero travel, delivery wins. Now here's a smart tip most people miss. For small, quick grocery runs, pickup is often more efficient. For weekly shopping or heavy items, delivery saves more time and effort overall. Another important factor is timing. Pickup is usually more predictable because you control when you arrive. Delivery depends on driver availability and route scheduling, which can vary. So the real answer is not which one is better overall, but which one fits your situation that day. To wrap it up, curbside pickup gives you speed and control. Delivery gives you comfort and convenience. Both are useful, but for different lifestyles and moments. If this helped you decide, like the video, drop a comment with your preference, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.